After years of anticipation, it's here at last that today is the greatest day of the long-awaited greatest pride of our parents, families, friends. Don't laugh at me. Proudly want to say the precious moment of truth, the wedding of the bride and groom, the moment, the wedding of the bride and groom, Jackie and Tino. Husband and wife. So above all, my family and I would like to give thanks and praise to our Almighty Lord, Heavenly Fathers, for all the greatness